Welcome to another episode of Riders Garage. I'm Hanif and today we'll be unboxing the Ace Pro. Let's see what's in the box. This is the mic adapter, which is way smaller than GoPro. I have also the 360 cameras for Insta as well as GoPro. We'll do another video for that, for 360 comparison. But for today, let's unbox the Ace Pro together. First off, the Ace Pro itself. Yeah, there we go. So what I like about this is that there is the flip, so I can actually use it for vlogging. If let's say I want to use it for my camera, and then I can attach it to a selfie stick and then I can bring it along. So I just have to bring one camera rather than a few cameras. The other thing that I like is the night mode, which is a pure video. It's way better. I've seen quite a few content creators that have been using pure video, and it's just way better because I'm currently on the Hero 11. I've sold my 6 to a friend, Roku Beka. 6 was actually better in terms of night shooting. GoPro is just too dark for night. In the morning it was quite okay, the colors are still good, but there is a lot of complaints on GoPro. There are just so many people who are just frustrated with GoPro. I'm still okay with GoPro. They did replace my 360 camera for me, although Singapore is not one of the listed countries. Anyway, here we have it, the Ace Pro. Inside. Okay, so there is two variations. One is the Ace as well as the Ace Pro. The difference is that Ace Pro has Leica lens. I think that's about it. In terms of price, I believe it's a difference of 100. The standard price for Singapore is about 629. I managed to get at a good price from Shopee. It was at sale 549 or something like that, and then I managed to use coupons for $60, and then you redeem your coins, and I got it for about 530 or so. So this is what's interesting, the flip screen, so be able to see. So if you want to mount it to your handlebar and you want to preview rather than just look at your phone. So this feels very rigid. I think it's still fairly new, that's why. Is this a button? The side door. Press it. Oh, you have to put it. So it's like spring loaded. It's really hard. That is your battery. I'm not purely convinced on the Insta360. I've watched a few content creators. One of it is Lobo, and he did complain that the field of view for GoPro is still better because they have hyper view. Given that you ride motorcycles, sometimes you will need a bit of the perspective from the handlebars or sometimes the tank. So not having that wide view might hinder you a bit, but I don't know whether it's a deal breaker. I'll have to see it for myself. This is the box that comes along with it. Let's see. It should come with the mount. This is cable, charging cable. This should be the adhesive flexible mounts. We have the standard mounts. I've never tried these magnetic ones. I'm a bit skeptical also. So with the sticker and also plastic, you can still see it's attached. So I will need to learn how to actually use this properly. We've got stickers, think bowl, Insta360, a warranty card, quick start guide, waterproofing, one whole booklet for waterproofing, and the safety guidelines. I think that's about it. There's nothing else. Battery is inserted. So there's two buttons from what I see. Oh, there's another side door, small one. So this is the power button. Yeah, SD card and a Type-C, detachable, similar to the GoPro. So just look, there's a clip, so you can actually just remove it very safely and reattach it. Let's turn it on. Okay, let's set this up. So English, you need to download the app. Usually you will have to pair it to the app, and then they'll do a software update to the latest firmware, etc, and I can't wait to actually have this tested. But before that, let's open up the other package. This is just an accessory. I've got this for $20 or so, 22. I think it's supposed to be a lot cheaper. So this mic adapter, way smaller than the medium one. I'll bring out the GoPro later on, and just a quick comparison between the two. That's it. This is it. That's how small this thing is. So I already have my GoPro as well as the Insta360. Right now it's doing the software update. So one quick thing to take note is there's actually these two latch where you have to press top and bottom, here and here, these two. So before you flip the screen, make sure you press these two. This is the GoPro Hero 11. I got it last year or 2 years back. It doesn't have the battery now. I've removed the side because I need access to the Type-C connector because of this media mount. It's not media mount, it's a mic adapter. Look at how bulky this thing is. Compare it. So this is really small. This is like a fraction of the size, and it sticks onto the camera. I keep saying GoPro, it's just a habit. Let's try to connect this. So the 360 will just remove the side door, then you attach it. It does create some sort of seal, but they did say that you won't lose waterproof feature. So you compare it with this and this, because some content creators, what they'll do is they'll attach this onto the front of the helmet, but they'll stick this onto the side of the helmet. So there is a cage for you to hold. I'm using Olanzi. Move the side door, slot it in, lock it from the back, the side, then you push this thing through, and you still have access. So what I'll do is I'll twist it a bit and then connect to the side, which leaves the Type-C exposed. So right after that, I will attach my Rode. This is, I forgot what's this. But for GoPro, take note that you can only use this TRS. I bought another one which is Smart Laugh, if I'm not mistaken, and that is RRS, where they have an additional black 9. So I was trying to record and trying to see all through the settings, but it couldn't work. Only when I went online to find out that I can only use this type, which is TRS. For the Insta360, however, I'm not sure. I'll have to check. Anyway, I have both. I tried to sell the TRRS, but it's still with me. I've yet to sell because I'm not using it at all. Which mic is about $60 or so. And what I'll do is I'll just place this on the inside of my helmet. It's not in front, but it's at the side. So at the front of the cheek pad of the helmet, that's where I'll put it. So you can see the difference between the two. Just for the microphone, you'll have to add so much more weight from the cage to the mic adapter, and it all adds up. So I'm really excited to see if I can shift from this to this. But we'll see whether this is acceptable for my use. There you have it. Okay, so I've already done the unboxing for the Ace Pro. Next video will be the comparison between the Hero 11 and the Ace Pro. We are in the midst of doing some tests. Let us know what are the tests that you guys want to see. We're going to be doing FOV, battery life, image quality. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Ride safe.